The verb karna is one of the most important verb in Urdu and Hindi. It gets attached with nouns and adjectives and we make them a verb. Teach you three verbs with karna in them. I made a whole list of verbs. The links are in the description box. The first verb is call karna. That is to do the call. Call karna. Karna itself means to do. Maine call ki. Maine call ki. Call is feminine, so it's always going to be ki in the past tense. Maine baat ki. Maine baat ki. Baat karna is to have a conversation or to talk. Maine baat ki. Baat is feminine, so it's always going to be ki in the past. One is intizar karna. मैंने इंतज़ार किया. मैंने इंतज़ार किया. That means I have waited. Intizar is a masculine noun.